kiddos! Today, we're going to learn to count from 1 to 10 with our animal critter friends and how that they make sounds. Ready to count with critters? Let's begin. One owl sitting high in a tree. Can you say 1? 1. An owl makes sound like this hoot hoot. Look! 2 cheeky monkeys swinging from the vines. Can you count with me? 1, 2. And they giggle like this. Hee, hee. 3 froggies hopping happily in the pond. Count with me. 1, 2, 3. And they make sound like this. Ribbit, ribbit. 4 beautiful butterflies flying in the breeze. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. And they make sound like this. Flap, flap. 5 hungry squirrels on the meadow, looking for nuts. Can you count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And they make sound like this. Squeak, squeak. Kiddos, are you still with me? I can't hear you. Are you still there? Great. Now let's continue. 6 busy bees buzzing all around. Count with me, shall we? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And bees make sound like this. Bizz, bizz. 7 floppy bunnies hopping all around in a grassy meadow looking for carrots. The number 7 it is. Let's count them, shall we? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And they make sound like this. Sniff, snuff, sniff, snuff. 8 chirping birds flying on air. Can we start counting? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And they make gentle sound like this. Whoosh, swoosh. 9 beautiful dragonflies flying on the meadow. Let's count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. They make sound like this. Whir, whir. Wow, 10 chirping, busy crickets are having fun. Can we count them all? From 1 to 10, shall we? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And they make sound like this. Chirp, chirp. Great job, kiddos. You've learned to count from 1 to 10 with all our animal critter friends. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be counting Superstar. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun learning.